How to add credit card in ING Bank. Here's a clear steps guide to add a credit card in ING Bank. Firstly, open the ING banking app on your mobile. Then log in securely using PIN, fingerprint, or Face ID. From the home screen, tap on the Cards section and select Add Card or Apply for a new card. Choose Credit Card from the card options. Browse available credit card types like Classic, Gold, Platinum, etc. Tap on your preferred credit card type and fill in the required details like personal and financial info. Upload or confirm ID and income documents if prompted. Review the terms and conditions carefully and tap Submit Application to finalize your request. Once approved, your new credit card will appear in the app and a physical card will be sent to your address. Thanks for watching.